This is a Kiev 88 medium format 6x6 camera. While I've only owned the camera for 6 months, and I bought plenty of 6x6 backs for it, I've always been chasing that elusive 6x4.5 back because it does add up quite a bit, only being able to take 12 shots per roll of film. That's not a lot, especially if you miss a shot or two. I was searching on eBay just one day. I've got this saved search filter, and what do you know? A 4x5, and then another, and then another, and one more. I bought out all 4 of the 6x4.5 magazines that this seller was carrying. Sent me back a little over $300 some with shipping from Russia, so that's to be expected. But I've never ever seen these out in the wild. Everyone else shoots with the standard 6x6, but now I'll be able to get probably 16 photos per roll, assuming that everything works as it should. These are new in box. The production says it's from 2002, so hopefully the light seals are still good, and these are brand new in box, never opened. Let's open them up. So before opening it, I made this little discovery that the rope that holds this box closed has the logo embedded into it, like stamped into every single one of these. I mean, that's the same logo as that one on the box, but still, that's quite some attention to detail there. Well, let's get started, shall we? And here we have the magazine. As we can see, 6x4.5. So these are the newer style.